exterior finishes.
It's one of the great benefits of working with Paquin. The mix between what you're looking for. It's got some.
Welcome to episode 3, where we will be walking you through the rough end phase of this project. The original street side of this home did not lend itself to what our clients' wants and needs are. So what we've done is designed a new wraparound porch that incorporates a new entry to their new foyer and a sitting area for them to enjoy their kids in their front yard. I'm now standing in what used to be our client's kitchen, which we are converting into a rec room that will eventually second as the pool house for their Phase 2 pool project. So if you remember in episode 1, we removed this wall to create this addition for the new kitchen area of their home, which will create an open floor plan concept. We're now standing in what used to be their mechanical closet, which we are converting into a bathroom. So what we've done is we've relocated their furnace. We've also relocated their water conditioning system and their well pump. And we've opened up this space to allow for a full bathroom, a shower area, a toilet, a sink area, which used to house all of these mechanicals, including on this wall, the electrical panels, which have been relocated to the outside wall here in this room. And so what we've done is created this whole space into a nice bathroom where it used to only house mechanicals. And while all of this has been going on, Dawn, our interior designer, has been working with our clients to finalize selections, including things like flooring, paint colors, built-ins, and moldings. All of this will be covered in our episode 4.